the most retarded helicopter in the world. I'm lifting up. Stop. Go now.
It can't even fly, and now it's stuck.
Go. Now, this is the most retarded helicopter in the world. If you want one, please go to eBay and type in the most retarded helicopter in the world.
Which there is not. You first, Joseph.
Thank you for watching. Please also watch my Hydra R8 speedboat and HWH. Please watch these two videos. That was my Hydra R8 speedboat and HJHW.
No, don't watch.
JHWH. Please watch these two videos.
Let's begin from the line. No, don't watch them. One of them's going to be